Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel. So here we are today at Honda Big Wing to check and explore the Honda CB350. We have two models here. One is the CB350 Deluxe, another one is the Deluxe Pro. So this is the Honda Highness CB350, the BS6 model, and now there's been a lot of hype surrounding this bike, lot of expectations, and as well as how Honda would better the proposition to match the current competition. Well, one look at this new Highness CB350 and we know Honda is into serious business to unsettle the competition. On my first impression, Honda has finally managed to hit the spot with the Highness CB350, with the motorcycle being priced at around 1.9 lakhs. The 4-stroke 348cc produces around 45.5 kW of power and 30 Nm of torque and as low as 3000 rpm. The motorcycle comes with first in segment features like Honda's smartphone voice control system and a selectable torque control with real-time mileage. It also has assist and slipper clutch along with a host of features. The bike gets LED DRLs and LED headlamp. We also get the same LED turn indicators as well. The first in segment has front lamps too. Front tires are of the size of 19 inches and the rear tires are of 18 inches and especially they are tubeless. The brakes are dual channel ABS, multi-plate wet clutch and a 5-gear transmission builds the confidence in riding. The motorcycle has a ground clearance of 166 mm with a curb weight of 181 kg and a fuel capacity of around 15 liters, which is a good range for a 400 to 450 kilometers of ride in a full tank. I'll be sharing my comprehensive first ride review soon, so please stay tuned for that. Please do hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. Until then, take care, bye bye and see ya.